advisory has come out for the Pune residents right now. As we have seen right now, we are standing at Bide Bridge over here. As you can see, the Bide Bridge over the Mutha River will be closed for 3 months for the constructions of a pedestrian bridge connecting the Deccan Gymkhana metro station to the central to the central area. Maha Metro has informed that traffic on this bridge will be closed for the midnight of June 9 to September 5th. According to the information which was given by the Maha Metro, the pedestrian bridge connecting the Deccan Gymkhana metro station is being constructed on the upper side of the Bide Bridge. During this work, it has been decided to close the bridge to the traffic, prioritizing the safety of the citizens as well. For this necessary no objection certificate has also been obtained from the Pune police. If we talk importantly, the road in the riverbed will remain open for the traffic. Therefore, citizens will be able to travel by using the alternative routes also. Maha Metro has appealed to use the Ladki Bridge, Bal Gandharva Bridge and Z Bridge also. As we have seen the benefit, if we talk about the benefit, what could be the normal and these residents and the citizens of the Pune will be getting from this new bridge, that could be the new pedestrian bridge will make it easier for the students to reach Narayanpet, Shaniwarpet, Lakshmi Road areas as well as the Deccan Gymkhana metro station. This is expected to further strengthen, mainly this is main motto was to and it is also expected for the further strengthening of the metro connectivity in the central part of the city as well. If we talk about the meanwhile, the separate pedestrian bridge are being constructed to connect Chhatrapati Sambhaji Udhan and Deccan Gymkhana station on the Vanas to Ramwadi metro line to the central stations. As we can see, of these, the pedestrian bridge connecting the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Udhan metro station has already been opened for the citizens. If we talk particularly about this history of the Bide Bridge, that tells totally different, which connects the Deccan Gymkhana and the central Pune city. It is named after the Balwant Narayana Bide, a senior activist of Rashtriya Samya Sevak Sangh. He did an organization work in Maharashtra for a long time, working in the various responsibilities of the Sangh. His contribution in this, like the social and public sectors, is also considered as an important part. So in this memory, the PMC named the bridge over Mutha River Baba Bide Bridge. The bridge was inaugurated by the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari on June 24th of 2000, and the entire cost for this bridge was around 81 lakh rupees. If you see, that was spent on the entire constructions of the bridge, which is about 88 meters long. If you see, now this bridge will be shut from today, June 9th, till September 5th. As we can see, the major change in the traffic will be also seen over here. The bridge, which was inaugurated by the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari in the year of 2000 on June 24th, now which is around 88 meters long, and this entire project, which was costed around 81 lakh, now will be being shut from today night around June 9th, like from June 9th till September 5th for the construction purpose related to metro. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.